Why did you bring that?
I don't know.
Okay, tell me what it is.
It's a robot.
It's for Dad.
It's a robot.
You're gonna send this to Dad? Yeah.
It's a robot.
Yeah, I'll get some.
Okay, you 7 years?
Oh, Mama, excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm almost as tall as you. Thanks a lot, honey.
Hey, where's these go up faster than everybody? Yours go up way faster than everybody. That's why.
Yeah.
Different design? Oh, he's okay. So why is your design better? How do you get it to hold on?
Oh, wow. That one. That was fast. You need to get over here?
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I'm getting one.
The line down there. That one's sorry. Do you see the blue one?
I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
We're going to show you how later, but one of the things we're like
Green Flare team. This is our project, the robospiders by the Green Flares. Kasubi Manega.
I'm Anna Mackenzie.
Nathaniel.
My name's Bernice.
Joel. And this is what we're going to tell you about.
So this project was that you had to make something out of Legos that could climb that pole out there, and it was 1 1/4 inches thick in diameter, and you have to climb 10 feet up that. And one of the requirements was that you had to have 100 grams of extra weight on your robot, and it has to have a sensor at the top, so when it reaches the top of the pole, it'll stop by itself.
We started off by building this robospider. It was pretty big, and we thought it'd be able to get up the pole, but it didn't. It only went halfway. So we modified it and made it lighter, but through some modification, I guess you could say, it didn't meet our standards. It couldn't go up the pole at all.
Our final design was like much more lighter, and it was able to carry the amount of weight that we needed to carry. And also we installed gears like to make it go to the opposite way. The wheels, as you can tell, we have 4 wheels right here, which helps the robospider go up the pole.
Challenges we had was weight. Like our first design was too heavy, so it didn't go up the pole very well because it had too much weight on it. Power, didn't have enough power to get up the weight we had. Stability, it wasn't very stable because it spiraled up instead of going straight up. Speed, it went really slow because it was too heavy. And then wheel positioning. When we positioned the wheels, like it kept slipping off of the pole. So.
Our team was actually really great. We, at first, getting to know people, you're a little nervous and you're not really sure what to do, but our team worked really well together, and we used the divide and conquer strategy. So some of us would work on something else, and then the other ones would be working on the robot, and we were able to get things done pretty quickly, and we were all able to put our heads together, and we all contributed ideas to make a really awesome robot.
We've got some of the calculations here from our robot. It weighed 278.75 grams with the additional 100 grams that we needed to put on. And it had an efficiency of 1.36%, which really isn't that great. And right below here is the equation where you figure that out. You have the mass times gravity times the height of the pole divided by voltage times the time it took to get up the pole, and the current times the current. And we have our torque ratio, or gear ratio here, which was 100 to 1, which is pretty good. And our torque that we had, and our motor torque.
If we had had more time, we would have really liked to work on being able to get the robospider back down. It was not required that it come back down on its own, but it would have been a lot simpler if we could. That would require a lot more testing. We also would have liked to improve the speed because it was kind of slow, and we also would like to have a better use of power because it used an entire battery getting up, and that's really not that good. So we would have liked to be able to use the battery a couple times before having to switch to the one.
All right, thank you, Green Flares. Team Whittle, Miav, a great week of engineering. So now we're going to present the graduation bags, which have some goodies and also a certificate showing that they completed the Success Institute. And we will start with Team Green Flare. So Green Flare, please come up.
If you have a portfolio, you should put your certificate inside your portfolio and start collecting your accomplishments. That's just a plug. If you want to know how, come see me later. I can help you set that up.
Shut the jacket.
And then it's another.
Jonathan, take it. I'm gonna clap.
Maybe we should start. That would help.
Okay. Well, we're going to untie them in a moment, or better yet, find an engineering solution and use scissors. So, Emma Kinsey, Nathaniel Franson. Did I say that?
Here's a scissor.
Kasubi Manega. Joel Hammond. Congratulations.
Good job this week, you guys. Fantastic. This is the team. You got it? All right.
All right, so Team Glib, Whittle, Miav,